everybody, my name is SnakeEyesBP1980 on the PlayStation 4 system, Xbox 360, and PC. Today, again, we are outside. Well, it's actually not sunny, it's more cloudy. There's clouds over that direction, but we're going to be doing cooking outside again. This time, we're cooking hot dogs. Yeah, hot dogs. So basically, if you guys want to know how to cook on the grill, on the hot dogs or whatever, it really doesn't take that much time for them to get cooked or whatever. So again, we're going to do what we can to getting the hot dogs done up or whatever. So if you want to come closer and see what we're going to be doing, come on ahead and come over here. All right, well, basically what we're going to do now is we're going to open this up and then basically get it all prepped and ready for cooking. So that's open so that I can get to the hot dog. Now, same thing like we did the last time with the grill. You want to get it all set up where it's all on and everything. Again, turn your valve on and then hit this, and voila, we got fire going. And then now you want to turn these down to the, well, actually one would be not lowest setting. So and we're going to use the grilling on the top rack this time instead of the bottom rack. So step a little bit closer, probably over here, and we'll see what you're going to do. So like I said, let's go ahead and put the hot dogs on the top shelf. And we go ahead and close this. Like any other times when you're cooking food on a grill, you got to keep an eye on them. And it really doesn't take that long for the hot dogs to boil, do a lot of looks like bubbles and stuff like that done on the hot dog. So you want to take your chances or whatever to keep your eye on the hot dog. So other than that, it's not that hard to cook on a grill. So hopefully we'll be back to seeing more hot dogs later on. So when you start seeing them starting to turn a different color, you want to move them over by one. And reclose it again. Basically rotating them every so often or whatever. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it off or whatever. We're going to turn off the valve on the gas here. pretty much basically just close this up, and basically we grilled hot dogs. So if you guys really enjoy this content, go ahead and punch that like button like a champion down below. If you really enjoy the content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Next to it will be a bell, that bell with notification bell on you to know when the next time I'll be available online. And this is basically hot dogs. We just grilled on the grill today, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this content. Do come back and see me next time. Until then, bye for now.